Hi guys, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a random soulmate reading. Like, this is for everyone. Whoever is watching this video, whoever needs to hear this message, so this is for them. So yeah guys, let's see what is coming for you, because it's a very important message that you need to hear right now. So yeah, okay. Two of Pentacles. Okay, you can see this. Okay, Eight of Pentacles, King of Cups, Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, World card right in the middle of your reading, in the heart of your spread, Eight of Wands, okay, Fool, Four of Pentacles, Hanged Man. Yeah, definitely this is the message. Okay, so whoever is watching this is for you guys. Like, I know that some of you are juggling between like what to do, what is not to do, what is important, what is not. So you are in some kind of torn situation, like you just want to do something but you can't, because of the stuckness of this situation in the world going on. That's why you can't, and you are feeling a little bit stuck. So yeah guys, I was telling you that you want to make some kind of move, but you cannot, because this is the time of the universe, of the stars, of the planets, like the position that we cannot. Like, this is the time providing for us from the universe that take rest, back off, don't do anything, don't take action. So do not force to make any action to yourself. Like, don't force yourself to take any kind of action, just relax. Okay, so yeah, this is for them who just want to do the work situation. So just relax. This is the relaxation period for all of us right now. Okay, so with this Eight of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Queen of Swords, I'm feeling that definitely you want to work things out on your relation, and also in your office work. And I'm feeling like but you cannot, because of the situation. But you know what, you are, I'm feeling that some of you are starting some kind of initiation or beginning from your home side. Yeah, okay. And for some of you who are dealing with a person, you have definitely deep feelings for them, and but they have become a little bit cold with the Queen of Swords energy. I'm feeling that King of Cups is you, this is your energy. And obviously we are in the Scorpio full moon, so definitely it affects all of the beings on this planet, because this is a very powerful energy. So yeah, definitely something is coming out, as you see that Six of Wands world and the Eight of Wands coming in your recent energy, like in the current energy. So definitely you want some kind of victory in a new beginning, if you have started some kind of project, or if you have started any kind of connection, like on, because this is also, you know, communication on the international level. Like, what is this like? This is the internet communication. Okay, I don't know why am I smiling, but yeah, you want to initiate some kind of relationship or connection on any website or something like that, and you want victory in this, and definitely so much communication is happening. But I'm feeling that for some of you who are already dealing with a person in a connection or commitment, uh, you want communication with them, a clear communication, a very clear communication with them. And yeah, definitely then you want to decide to end that chapter of your life, or to have continuously going on with them, because this is also Saturn, and Saturn rules karma. So yeah, definitely you want stable, grounded, long-term partnership. And yeah, if the person is loyal with you, then you will go with them, and if it is not, then end it. Okay, with the Fool card, Four of Pentacles, and the Hangman present here, definitely new beautiful beginnings are coming your way, but you are holding on to the past. You can see this Four of Pentacles. Why are you holding on to this past energy and to the stuckness? Like you just don't want to let go of the past. You just don't want to let go of the uh, previous behavior, previous life, the old situations. If this is an old relationship, old connection, old business, you have to let go of it, because you are just very I just want to say stubborn right now, because obviously past things will past things you want to miss them. Yeah, like there were so many good times, but it has run its course, so you have to let go of that thing. Okay, so yeah, let's clarify all these cards for you guys. Okay, so why is the Two of Pentacles here for you? Two of Pentacles, yeah, Ace of Pentacles, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Okay, so what it means, like you are juggling about the new things and you don't want to accept it. You have your guard up very strongly. You see this Nine of Wands is here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, Nine of Wands. So you have your guard up. There are new beginnings, new offers are coming your way, but you are resisting it because you just don't want to let go of the past. And you, but you have to, because this is very strong, beautiful. This is the gift from the universe, so accept it. Be in the receiving mode. Be, just reconsider all the things and don't restrict. Okay, don't restrict it, don't resist it, because retrogrades are always telling us to rethink the thing, rethink about the things or the situations. Okay, okay, I just want to know, why is this Queen of Swords is in your recent past? Queen of Swords. Okay, this wants to come out. Moon, Ten of Pentacles, and the Hermit card. Okay, okay, that's why the Queen of Swords is very you know, cold and detached, because the thing that you can switch the role. Okay, that you have held something back. You didn't speak the whole truth about the commitment, because they want a very long-term partnership with this Ten of Pentacles present here. And with this Moon energy, there are some kind of secrets and uh, fears and illusions about the relationship. I'm feeling that for some of you, between you and your person, the one is fearful about the commitment. They just don't want to tie down, but then something happened and you are having some kind of enlightenment, because this is the solo journey of soul enlightenment, spiritual growth, soul growth. Yeah, okay, so that's why you have gone on towards your solo journey on spirituality, and the person you are dealing with become a cold person. Why is this Six of Wands are here in the current energy for those who are watching? Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Four of Wands. Okay, you want to move away from this kind of energy, like Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords, because this is not a good energy. This is a heartbreak energy, a left out cold, in the cold energy. So you want this, and you are definitely moving towards this, because Six of Wands is a victory. So you want this passionate beginnings, a very beautiful twin flame connection which is coming your way, because you are working on yourself with the Hermit card also present here, and you will be victorious. Beautiful. And for some of you who have your guard up, please let your guard down so that you can achieve these beautiful things. Why is the World card here? Wow, Nine of Cups. You can see this Nine of Cups, strength, beautiful. King of Swords. Okay, okay, so definitely a beautiful new beginning, and this is your match. Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. So both of you, okay, first of all they were fearful about the commitment, and then you go towards your solo journey, and now you are very very determined to get your goals, to achieve your, like what kind of achievement you want to achieve in your life, to have your wish fulfillment. And they are also now taming their beast. Yeah, definitely they are controlling their emotions, their anger. They are controlling their, if they have some kind of bad habits, because this is also karma. So yeah, they are learning how to control their emotions, and how to speak the truth, and how to control their anger as well. Okay, why is the Eight of Wands are here? Why is the Eight of Wands are here? Wow, Knight of Cups, Lovers, and the Two of Swords. Wow. So definitely you are going great. Beautiful. So this is a communication definitely, and someone wants to come towards you. They want to tell you that they have true emotions for you. They want to tell you that please decide what you want to do, if you want to live with them, or if you want to go away from them. So yeah, Gemini, this is a Gemini card, so obviously you have to make some kind of choice, decision after this communication, because this communication is very important during this time. And yeah, the situation was very very strong and very powerful between you and your person, and then something happened. Like you have your guard up, you are continuously resisting them, you are continuously ignoring them, because you think that they are not loyal with you, they are hiding something from you, they are very secretive, they are not you know faithful. Yeah, or they have some kind of dramatic actions in their body language. That's why you have your solo journey, you have your guard up, and yeah, that is the reason. But you have to be in the receiving mode, you have to be in the receiving energy, accepting energy. So accept all these beautiful things, very beautiful. So there is some kind of communication is also happening, which can help you to move forward in your life. Why is the Fool here? Why is the Fool here? Tower. Okay, King of Wands, Four of Swords. Yeah, so definitely some kind of tower movement will happen, which give you assistance to heal yourself more, more and more and more, and to think about what you want to do passionately in your life. Yeah, because this King of Wands is an action taker person, so you are also want to take action, but right now you cannot because of the going on situation. So you are providing some time with this Four of Swords, like think, contemplate, and then do it. Like this is the time of thinking, of planning, or strategizing what is your passion about. And yeah, then you will work on it, and then you will take action, 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 and then boom, so much success, so much prosperity will come towards you. Beautiful. Okay, why is the Four of Pentacles is here? Ace of Cups, High Priestess, Knight of Swords. Wow. Okay, okay, so don't hold back, just follow your intuition, because this is High Priestess, very strong intuition you have right now. You are very very intuitive person, and so much beautiful things are coming. You are attracting all these beautiful things towards you because of your intuition. So yeah, you have a good intentions, you have set good intentions for yourself, and you are uh, sending those towards the universe. That's why universe is giving you all these kind of things, so that you can make the right decision, because this is also conversation, communication, Knight of Swords. And so you will choose what is best for you, what is true for you, and what is in your higher good. Wow. Wow. Hanged Man. Hanged Man. Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Two of Cups. Yeah, definitely this is the time for heal yourself, to be in this energy. Universe has given you that time, given you this time of stuckness if you are feeling stuck, because no one can feel stuck, everything is moving. Okay, so I just want to tell you that utilize this time for to heal yourself, to be in this confident, abundant energy, because this is very beautiful, independent personality, and you will be in this energy very soon, because you are also working on yourself, which is very great. And then you will attract this, and then you will attract this, and then you will attract this. Beautiful. Where is that Nine of Cups? Yeah, then you will attract this. This is a very strong, beautiful energy for you guys. I'm feeling very happy to do this reading for you. Whoever is watching this is a very great reading for you guys. So just heal yourself and just use this time to get yourself stable, because you have to be in the Empress like energy, so that you can attract all those kind of things, abundance, like independence and groundedness, and so many success in your life. So yeah guys, this is very beautiful reading for you guys. I hope this will help you, and if it is resonating with you, you can switch you can give this video thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family, because it is very helpful. I'm feeling that this message is needed by so many people. So just boost your energy, utilize your energy to heal others and to heal yourself first. Okay, so yeah guys, I hope this will resonate with you, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.